Hi everyone again. Now we're going to do the phonics lesson for the day. This is to help us with our patterns so that we become better spellers and better readers. It's good when you're reading to look for these patterns and it will help you sound out the word quicker. So our pattern this week is the ER sound. You can find that in IR, UR, and ER. IR, and UR, surf. But it's ER, at the end of a word. Again, ER, at the end of a word. OR also says but not a lot, just like in work or word. So these are going to be the words that we work with this week. They are bird, dirt, fur, fern, her, climb, through, and work. And so what we're going to do right now is we're going to do the fourths. So if you have a piece of paper or if you have, if you need to go get it, you can go get it now. Let's do the fourths. So I'm going to divide my paper into fourths. I didn't really do it very equal, but it's going to be okay. And for the fourth this time, since you can't erase it, how about you just say the word you think it is, and then I'll give a new hint, and then you pick a new word if it doesn't fit for the hint. The only people this might not work for are Noah and Ben, but everybody else you should be able to just say the word out loud. So think of a word, one of these words in my list, okay? Say the word out loud. All right, my hint is that the word says So if you picked climb or through, that's not the word. All right. My next hint is that it uses the hunk and chunk IR. Okay, so we don't use any of those words. So now it's down to bird, and dirt. What do you think it is? All right. My word fits in this sentence. The blank flies in the sky. The bird flies in the sky or the dirt flies in the sky? I think you know it. Okay. Say it on 1, 2, 3. Bird. All right, let's think of some rhyming words. I'm thinking of a grade. You can be in the 3rd grade. That also has the IR hunk and chunk. Now remember, to rhyme, it has to have the same sounds. So it has to go d. N would not rhyme. Like some people might say bird, burn. No, it has to end with erd. Maybe you're thinking of a silly one that I won't say. Maybe you're thinking of the word that rhymes with bird. It actually is spelled with the OR. Okay, those are some rhyming words. And now you can think of a sentence. Every sentence in the whole wide world begins with a capital letter. So my sentence will say, and now you put a capital T, bird has, might say a beak, I'm going to say feathers. And I need to finish this with punctuation mark. This is just a statement, so I'm going to finish this with a period. The bird has feathers. You may have asked a question, what color is that bird? Then you would end it with a question mark. You might have said an exclamation, like, I love birds. Then you would have put an exclamation mark. So in our last box, we do a puzzle. I'm going to, okay. Who did this word? And then I'll do a harder one. So I'm going to hold up this, and then I'm also going to hold up the word list so you can figure it out. So I'm going to be thinking about what word starts with a D, ends with a T, what word starts with cl, and ends with a B. It doesn't actually say B. Okay, if you wrote in dirt, and climb. You are correct. Okay. So our words this week, I'm going to say them and then you can say them after me, are bird, dirt, fur, fern, her, climb, through, work. Okay, so we'll be looking for those patterns this week. I hope you had a good time doing your fourths. That is the end of our phonics lesson.